Report to Roy at the Canary Bureau ASAP.
With the Silbadores gone, our tactical drone program would be critical.
That's quite a little mess you got into up in LA.
And I've heard about your weaponry tech. Very impressive.
Apprentice, what can we do for you today?
I'm here to warn you. You and your drones are in big danger. FAD counter-assassins are already in the area. Stay where you are! You're surrounded by TAA agents.
Are we to fight with knives and sticks now? Your odds are not great.